video reviews the marketing directory of the Living Younger Lifestyle Medicine System. From the Living Younger home directory, click the marketing button. As with all the directories, the Living Younger marketing directory includes a marketing manual, providing useful tips and suggestions on promoting and developing your practice. The Miscellaneous tab includes such things as press release announcements and testimonial authorizations that you can receive from your patients, media interview worksheet when you're working with the media, tips for developing your website and social media in the system, market analysis tools, patient satisfaction survey, event postcards, and additionally, you have a number of what I call seed articles. These are pre-written word articles covering a variety of topics in the area of wellness and prevention. They're meant to be edited as sort of a seed article to give you a springboard from which you can create your own material. These documents can be hosted on your website. You can use the text for your website or flyers or folders. You can use it in your blogs or send it out to newspapers or magazines for potential publication. Everything in the entire marketing directory is 100% editable by you. It's helpful to have some form of flyers, trifold flyers or folders. We give you a few templates, business card templates, exhibit booth material if you're going to be exhibiting at a health fair, for example, and a newsletter template as well. Our PowerPoint lectures are among the more popular marketing tools in the system. They cover a variety of topics in the area of health and wellness. Everything is 100% editable in these PowerPoints, so the text, the fonts, the content, everything can be modified to suit your particular intent. These are very popular PowerPoints, and they're intended for both professional as well as lay audiences because you can pick and choose the material that you are going to be providing to them. This ends this tutorial.